Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is DJ Cat, and today we are back with another slightly indirect crypto video, and this is going for mainly people who are using Telegram for their crypto updates. We all use Telegram, you know what I mean? Like I think when I joined crypto, guys, which was back in just last year's November, I'm also technically a beginner, right? I don't know everything that's happening in crypto. I don't know. I'm not that much of an expert in my opinion. I'm learning a lot, but you know what I mean? A lot of people are starting to join in crypto, you know what I mean? Because it's obviously going to the masses right now and people are adopting it. They're excited. Oh my God, different ways to make money. Oh, let me invest in this. I have some money to play with, but they're skipping the main step, which is being aware of the ways that you can get hacked, you can get scammed. Social engineering is a thing, guys. You don't need to be, an actual technical hacker to scam someone, right? Like it's dangerous. Sometimes all it needs is like, for example, you get a message from a guy that you think is a YouTuber and he says, "Oh, no, no, let me help you with this and that." So obviously step one, which I hope you guys already know, your seed phrase, you cannot share it at all with anyone. It's like giving a key that's a permanent key, right? Once that is given away, your wallet cannot be changed. You cannot change the keys to your wallet. You would have to literally immediately transfer to a new wallet. And let's just say your wallet is connected to Drip, then your Drip account is hacked. You know what I mean? You do not want to share your seed phrase. You want to keep it safe. Write it on a piece of paper. Keep it in your, in your drawers, whatever. But never ever share your seed phrase, no matter who the person you think you're speaking to claims they are to be honest, right? The second thing, which is basically on the actual Telegram app, I'm gonna pull this out. Um, you wanna just give me a second, guys. I'm gonna show you guys just to make sure that I'm on the right. Yep. Um, Basically, you want to go to your settings in your Telegram, right? Whether you're on your phone, your PC, your Mac, whatever, it all applies to everyone. Um, and then basically, there's three things that are definitely game changers, guys. I was literally almost hacked. My wallet, well, let's just say not hacked. Let's just say drained, right? My wallet could have been drained from like $300 that I had invested with literally I was like literally one step away. How did I know that it was fake? But let me just take you through, what steps you need to do. First things first, you need to change groups and channels, right? Who can add me to groups and channels? You want to keep that to my contacts, right? By default, for some reason, it's everybody. Okay, that's honestly maybe Telegram needs to change that. Keep it by default as my contacts. You don't want to be added at all by some random guy, right? Because let me tell you an example of something that could happen potentially. Okay, let's just say I'm in an animal farm. I'm there right now in animal farm, as you guys can see, um, and suddenly I get added, but I don't really know. I don't notice yet that I'm added, right? I get added to a group that has the same profile picture as the animal farm, same name as the animal farm, and let's just say it has 2,000, or even 20,000 people, right? I don't keep track of what's the number of the actual member count in Animal Farm. So when I look at it and I see, okay, there's been texts, there's 20,000 people, it's the same name, same picture, I'm going to believe what I'm seeing, right? It's just at a glance. And then all you see is a pinned message that says, oh, new pigs farm, new dogs farm is out, invest now, here's a contract address, right? When I see that, and just think about, guys, there's literally around 50,000 people in the actual animal farm people. Just all it needs is just a small percentage of those people to fall for it, and think about how much money they are making, right? So you don't want to fall a victim. Change this setting to my contacts. You don't want to be added randomly to groups and channels, right? People can people can literally copy paste those groups, right? The same name, same picture, and you can fall victim. That literally almost happened to me with an old investment. Now, the second thing, this might be even more obvious, calls. You don't want to get called by some random guy. You want to keep that to my contacts, or every you can keep it to nobody and then add your exceptions, a couple friends of yours. But yeah, you don't want to get called by, first of all, it's annoying. Number two, what if someone as well, had a profile and he said, yo, his name was like, let's just say, some popular YouTuber, or claiming to be a tech support of Drip. I know this might sound very, very ridiculous to some of you guys, but trust me, those cameras honestly can make huge money. People lose their money like every single day, probably in crypto. I wouldn't be surprised. And when they lose money, they lose a lot, Because think about your wallets, right? What if you only play with crypto with one wallet? You have all your valuables in one wallet. First of all, that's vulnerability number one. You don't want to be doing that, to be honest. You want to have multiple wallets, spread your valuables. So if one wallet was at risk, it's not a huge chunk of your portfolio. That's number one. But you don't want to get called by someone claiming to be someone who's going to help you, someone who claims to be tech support, and they're not. So keep that contacts only your only your contacts to call you. Now the third, which is honestly this is like probably the first thing that you want to do entering the crypto world. Phone number, keep that to nobody, guys. You don't want to show your phone number to anyone, right? Only your friends. You can change that to friends if you want. Um, and who can find me by my number, right? You do not want to be doing this. Keep that to my contacts, and honestly, with phone number, keep it as either my contacts or nobody, because crypto is dangerous, guys. Right? This is like honestly like a black market, right? Telegram is honestly like a black market. You say something wrong, you can be a target to a group of people that they won't like you. You can they can literally take your phone number and set it to like some scam site that will put you on a call list, and now they're going to start sending your number for scammers to call. You never know what they do, guys. I don't want to find out, so I'm going to immediately put my phone number as not available. If you guys click and see who can see my phone number and who can find me by my phone number. Now I left this as only my contacts because you never know. What if someone has suspicion, was like, oh, what's this number? Is this guy's number? I don't want to get exposed. I don't want to get leaked or doxed, right? It's always good to just have that sense of privacy. Guys, honestly, privacy is something that's sometimes undervalued until you see the consequences of it, right? You don't want to be on Twitter having your full name right there, and then when you leave a bad comment, you get targeted by people who are going to try to cancel you just because you disagree with something, right? Um, as you guys know, uh, you can tell I have some experience from that. You know what I mean? Because Twitter is full, and same thing with Telegram. Honestly, they're full with people that have a lot of time in their hands. You do not want to fall victim to those people, right? They'll go the full lengths to try to ruin your day. Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video there. It's kind of short, just awareness. Honestly, I don't want to see people losing money. I don't want to see, because people when they join crypto, they're just so excited to start investing, so excited to be like, yo, I can make money, da, da, da. But they skip the awareness, right? They skip about, yo, you can actually get scammed, you can get hacked. People losing their very valuable NFTs, right, to like a phishing email scam. You know how easy that is? That takes no skill to make a phishing email. All you need is just to know what's your email. Okay, if someone knows my email, that's it, right? There's an automatic 5% chance my, NFT wallet is going to get hacked. 5% chance every single day, right? Because I read my emails every single day. So every single day I wake up, there's a 5% chance I lose, a 5% chance I lose my wallet, I lose my, you know what I mean? So stay private, guys, honestly. Don't mess around with the wrong people, unless you save anonymous and you know what you're doing, honestly. But yeah, stay safe out there, guys. I'm gonna make a video that's gonna talk about more the technical side of tokens and crypto, where how to check, let's say, a contract that is not being fishy with either very iffy functions in a contract. I'm gonna make a video that will analyze the monkeypox. You know what I mean? I'm gonna write a video story about that. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed this type of video, give it a like, subscribe. If you're new to my channel, my name is DJ Khaled. I want to do more educational videos. You know what I mean? Not just about the stuff that I'm investing in, but also educational to the general public, and help people get introduced to crypto in the right way, in the right steps. You don't want to just jump straight into investing. You need to know, okay, how this and that. What can I not say? What can I ask? And stuff. The obvious stuff, basically. Um, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you find some value in it. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Do you have any experiences with getting scammed, rug pulled? I want to hear all that. Put it in the comments. For me, to be honest, I have gone through a lot of rug pulls. Um, and it's just part of the learning process, honestly. They say the biggest lessons come from your failures. To be honest, I think, to be honest, if I didn't go through those failures, I wouldn't be as knowledgeable as I am today. um, Unfortunately, that's how the world works, to be honest. And look, if I look back, obviously I made that money back and stuff, but you know, sometimes you gotta take a step back to take two steps forward. Just realize that it's not the end of the world, and yeah, every day you're smarter. At least that's the goal is for me. Um, Anyways, guys, my name's DJ Cal. See you in another video. Like and subscribe, and put that notification bell on. And bye bye.